Pizza has become like a huge cultural thing. Everyone just loves pizza because, well, it's good and it's heartwarming and brings people together.
I'm Mike. This is Pig Ate My Pizza. So this place is pizza, beer, and pork products. That's why it's called Pig Ate My Pizza. People love the food. Everything's made in-house. It's all scratch cooking. We bring everything in primal, we butcher it, turn it into sausage, bring in all of our vegetables, make our nice sauces, and the menu is constantly changing. And that's kind of the chef-driven idea. There are some staples to the menu that they can rely on, like the Piggy Pie or the Diana Ross, which is our supreme pizza. But there's also this kind of a craft pizza thing that's going on that kind of keeps them involved as a band.
At the restaurant here, we like to focus on a lot of local ingredients, including local beer. And we just put a lot of love into everything. We decided to make a hodgepodge pizza, which ended up being a chicken bacon ranch. We ended up calling it the Minnesotan because, you know, we love ranch on everything here. It has a fresh heirloom tomato sauce, crushed tomatoes, garlic, sliced chicken, bacon bits, pancetta, a micro celery, and a Thai basil ranch on top as well. What I love most about working here at Pig Ate My Pizza is we can just be ourselves. We love Taylor Swift.
Favorite Taylor Swift song?
22 is a good one. 22. Or Shake It Off, of course. We're not a conventional restaurant. It's communal seating, so everybody's got to be friends. Sharing food even.
I always remember that when I was a kid, there was always a restaurant that was your favorite restaurant, like for your birthday or a special occasion, like where do you want to go eat? I think it's special to me that people have chosen this as their favorite restaurant, especially the kids, because if it can connect with kids and connect with anybody, it's really dear to my heart.
I like this pizza so much.
It's a great place to bring my son.
My pizza was great.
Love it. And the pigs are adorable.
Come on down to Robbinsdale and pig out with us.